Even before going to JAMS, we were fixated on making sure that she has a love for math, because we're from India, that's what we do, we love math. And we've known that the public schools here don't offer that level of competitive math. I mean, they teach you basics, but we were looking for something that sparks their interest for math and computation in general. I've not imagined that my child as a 5-year-old could even want to stay past her bedtime just to finish her homework. It's unheard of. 5-year-old, right? They're still learning their alphabet, in school. So that's when I was like, what Abacus is teaching is not just counting and math, but grit, perseverance. If you don't put your hard work in it, you're not going to get anywhere. If you don't finish your homework, you don't feel good about yourself. You want to finish your homework, even though it's a lot of hard work. It's staying past bedtime, not watching your videos, Dora or whatever else you're into at that age. She put all that aside and wanted to finish homework. From that day till now, she's never gone there without finishing homework. The instruction is not the same for everybody in the class, even though there's 10 kids. It's very, very specific to that child. And if you go talk to Sensei, she says, I know, she's always messing up when there is an extra 0 in the number. She doesn't know the place, she messes up the place value when the 0 is in between the numbers, not at the end of it. And that level of scrutiny, you don't get anywhere else. If you talk to any other teacher, you won't know that this number in this way, in this place setting, is where she's getting confused. Let me spend more time on it. I think the approach that makes it different from others is that individual, very specific attention. I don't think you get it anywhere else. If I were to say one thing to Sensei, what I would tell her is that I really, really appreciate you teaching Raga that winning isn't everything. Being respectful of your teachers, your peers, and just be diligent in what you do and not expect results. I think she taught her that lesson that I don't think we can teach in our daily lives. Year after year, there's competition happens, and during that competition is when there's a lot of emotion around it. You have to win. But over years, what she has learned is that, yes, I'm learning a lot. Whether I win or not, it doesn't matter. And I think that's one thing that Sensei articulates so much better with her actions than I can do with my words.